Hey, good morning. Back with another contest on the oneramp.io website. If you're looking to do contests on the Steem blockchain, trust me, oneramp.io is great for like setting it up. Even on the web interface, I know they've got it for Android working, iOS soon. This is so the last one was really good. The logo, I've passed the logo over to Dale, the SVGA version of it, and we're tweaking it and changing it, and we should have that finished today so I can start using that in graphics, which I'm kind of excited about. This is a contest calling out to Python coders, and the reason why I want it in Python is because I've already got hosting that I use for my Lometric device with the code that I originally had built to get the Steem price. If you do a search for Lometric, you'll probably find that code base. Anyway, I'm looking to convert the code that Sage Scrub has made. It's open source, and I asked him if it was okay to use it, and it's currently written in PHP, and he updated it about 7 hours ago to query 3 exchanges for a price and then take an average of those 3 exchanges, and that would be the current Steem price. So what I really want is a refactoring, I guess, of that code but in Python, to run through the code, query these exchanges, and then look into a config file or be able to pass at the URL level a price in dollars. We don't have to worry about other currencies. Dollars is fine for now. Say for instance $12, and then it looks it up on the exchanges, queries the 3 exchanges, takes an average of those 3 exchanges, and then builds the URL that it needs for Steem Connect. Shouldn't be too difficult. Obviously I'm not a coder, but I can frame it in my head of what it should do and how it should do it. I can host the Python script or run the Python script on my Python Everywhere platform, which is reasonably priced per month to use. And the idea behind this concept, or should I say contest, is that if we get it working in Python as a button, as a piece of code to build a button, if we make it as simple as possible so people can embed it into their website and then call the button, then we can frame this out. We can sort of distribute this out to other platforms as well. So I'd love to see this in like a basic version. Instead of it as a WordPress plugin, you might not have WordPress, you might be just using a flat database structure or some other CMS. My thinking here is that the more platforms that we use, the more landing page builders, flat databases, not WordPress. I know WordPress is like 30% of the content market, CMS, content management system market, but there's other platforms as well, and I would love to have a section, like a block on ampsteem.com with, you know, like Python and Java and PHP and all these other different platforms, so that people can easily embed in the ability to accept Steem on their websites. I know websites are kind of dying off, but I think the more places that we can accept Steem as a payment, and ideally I'd love this code to not only support Steem Connect but also Steem Wallet, because the ability of somebody to come to the site, click on the pay with Steem, and then all of a sudden it pops, if it can auto detect if the plugin is in your browser, and being able to pay from there just with like logging into Steem Wallet would be so awesome. So I don't know if I've probably gone a bit too cheap with 30 Steem for the contest. Maybe I have. I can talk to some coder if that's a problem, but I've added the tag for the OneRamp contest onto this post. So this video, even though it's going on DTube, it should appear as an entry on the OneRamp contest. So hope you'll spread it around, retweet it. Any coders you know, do send them my way. I'd love to get this up and running really quickly. Cheers. Thanks. Bye.
Drifting slowly into an empty space where I can go. I'm just a